Welcome to Bratislava, the capital of Slovakia. Sits along the Danube River and makes great use of its riverside location. The beautiful Bratislava Castle, with its bright white walls, stands on a hill watching over the river. One of the city's most unique sights is the most SNP, or UFO bridge, which connects both sides of the city with its futuristic design. But the real charm of Bratislava lies in its small, walkable old town. Here, visitors can explore historic streets, visit palace museums, admire the striking blue church, and spot fun statues hidden around the city. There's plenty to see and enjoy in this delightful European capital. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Old Town. The Old Town is the historic center of Slovakia's capital. This charming area features a medieval castle, old buildings, cobbled streets, and lovely palaces. It's a small yet vibrant district full of history and culture. Visitors can enjoy its lively nightlife, delicious food, and various shops. Whether you're walking through its scenic streets or exploring its many attractions, Old Town offers a unique experience that blends the past with modern life. It's a must-see for anyone visiting Bratislava. 2. Bratislava Castle. Bratislava Castle sits on a forested hill above the north bank of the Danube River, offering stunning views of the Old Town. It is the most famous landmark in the city and can be seen from almost anywhere in Bratislava. The castle, with its grand Renaissance design, dates back to the 16th century. Today, it is home to the Museum of History, which is part of the Slovak National Museum. Visitors can explore the castle's rich past, learn about Slovak heritage, and enjoy breathtaking views of the river and city. The castle's location and history make it a must-visit attraction. 3. St. Martin's Cathedral. St. Martin's Cathedral is the biggest church in Bratislava and an important part of the Old Town skyline. Its tall spire reaches 279 feet high, making it one of the city's most recognizable landmarks. The cathedral we see today was built in the Gothic style on the site of an older basilica and was officially opened in 1452. One special feature is the golden crown placed on top of the spire, which reminds people of the 11 Hungarian kings and queens who were crowned inside between 1563 and 1830. This historic church has played a key role in Bratislava's past and remains a popular place for visitors. 4. Grassalkovich Palace, built in 1760, is an important landmark in Bratislava. It was once the home of aristocrats and is now the residence of the Slovakian president. The palace sits on the northern edge of the city's old town and stands out with its beautiful white Baroque-style exterior. In front of the palace, there is a large modern fountain that adds to its impressive look. Surrounding the building are elegant French gardens, designed in a formal style. The palace has played a key role in the city's history and remains one of the most famous and visited sites in Bratislava today. 5. UFO Observation Deck. Bratislava's UFO Observation Deck might sound like a place to see aliens, but it's actually a restaurant and viewing platform. It sits on top of the new bridge, which crosses the Danube River. The deck gets its name because of its round shape, which looks like a UFO. From the top, visitors can enjoy amazing views of the city. The restaurant offers delicious food, making it a great place to dine while taking in the scenery. Whether you come for the food or the view, the UFO Observation Deck is a unique spot in Bratislava that combines modern design with a fantastic location above the river. 6. Franciscan Square. Franciscan Square is a charming spot in the heart of Bratislava's Old Town. It is home to the historic Franciscan Church, which may look Baroque from the outside, but was actually built in the late 13th century. The square is surrounded by beautiful old Baroque-style row houses, adding to its historic charm. On one side of the square, There is a small cafe where visitors can sit indoors or enjoy the outdoor seating. The square is a peaceful place to relax, take in the old architecture, and experience the unique atmosphere of Bratislava's compact and picturesque old town. 7. Devin Castle. Devin Castle is just outside Bratislava and is one of Slovakia's most important historical sites. The area has been home to Slavic people since the 9th century, making it one of the oldest known settlements in Slovakia. Over the centuries, the castle changed owners many times and was rebuilt several times. However, during the Napoleonic Wars in the 19th century, it was destroyed in an explosion. Today, the ruins stand as a national symbol of Slovakia. Visitors can explore the remains and enjoy breathtaking panoramic views from the castle's towers, overlooking the Danube River and the surrounding countryside. 8. Michael's Tower. Michael's Tower is a historic gate in Old Town. Built in the 14th century, it was one of 4 original gates in the city's walls. Over time, more construction work was done, making the tower taller, especially in the 18th century. Today, it is the only gate that still stands from the original 4. The tower is an important landmark and a popular place for visitors. Tourists enjoy walking through the gate and learning about the city's history. The tower offers great views of the city from the top. It is a key part of Bratislava's past and remains an important attraction in the present. 9. Slavin. Slavin is a memorial in Bratislava, built to honor Soviet soldiers who died in World War II. It stands on a hill and includes a large tower, which is the main part of the monument. Around it, there is a cemetery with hundreds of graves, holding the remains of thousands of soldiers. These soldiers lost their lives while fighting to liberate Bratislava from Nazi rule. The memorial was built more than 10 years after the city was freed. Today, Slavin is one of the most important Soviet-era landmarks in Bratislava. It is a place where people come to remember history and pay respect to those who fought in the war. 10. The Slovak National Theatre is an important part of Slovak culture and a famous landmark in Bratislava. This beautiful neo-Renaissance building is located in the city's old town. Since it opened in 1886, the theater has been a place for opera, ballet, and drama performances. Inside, the auditorium is decorated with red velvet and gold, creating a rich and elegant atmosphere. The SND is a symbol of Slovakia's artistic heritage and continues to be a center for culture and entertainment, attracting visitors and artists from around the world.